Welcome back.
Hello, that thing is bigger every time.
I've now got them off on the microphone because, as you might have noticed on the last video, we didn't have any onboard shots from driving race car because it kept overpowering this without the muff on it. So I got the muff on it. Cut the TPS. Oh, has cut
Got it
the
out.
TPS off.
I had to cut the tops of them.
Oh yeah.
Work from end.
And weirdos with rivet nut bolt things.
I don't know how to put them in. But what sort of a tool puts them in?
Now we got
Flash.
a lock kit for the Soarer. Some of you on Instagram might have seen it this morning or yesterday. But yeah, fit this in. This will give me either 45 degrees of lock on this hole or 55 degrees of lock on this hole, I think.
Or the other way around.
Or the other way around, yeah. But that basically goes into where the standard tie rod will go, and this bolts on across the arm, and then this replaces my stock tie rod. She's got a rose joint on the inside there, or Heim joint, or whatever you want to call it. I did try taking the dust boots off. I don't even know how they got them on. They're that tight on there. So they should last a while. I've been playing around with this thing. This thing won't hit Vtec. Well, it will hit Vtec, but it won't just pull through or anything. I reckon all the cleaners and everything have just filled the cat. So you might get a long stick, but it's straight through the middle of all the bits. But other than that, it's gone. I just put some sounds in it. It's so windy. But yeah, today we're on this. Now, just got the wheel off, having a quick look. I suppose I'll get the torch first.
I've whipped a decent car.
And Ray's not having any luck.
No.
I put the TPS out of my other engine in and still getting
flow code. But it flashed number 3 once and then just kept doing the TPS one.
number 9.
So I want to look and see what 3 is because I don't think I've ever looked into 3.
Now, so looking at the standard tie rod, this one seems to be, when it's shortened in as much as it can, it seems to be the same length. So I'm going to try do this and keep it somewhat drivable for the minute before I get the alignment, because this will go on here, so this will obviously be shorter in, but if I can leave a mark here, so when I do clamp this all on, I can hold up the old tie rod and see how far up it goes. Hopefully then I'll be able to keep it kind of straight. If not, I'll just string line it off the outsides of the wheels afterwards, but I just prefer to do it this way because it'll be less hassle.
Yeah.
So let's see how we get on.
So number 9 is the number 1 cylinder position sensor.
Which is in the dizzy, isn't it?
Yeah. And number 3 and 5 are manifold absolute measure.
Jeez, that was some release. Okay, I reckon I'm just gonna go for the big lock straight away. Why not? I'll put it on the in-between setting. So I'll just unbolt this bit. Then this off. And that should sit up. Hold on a minute. Okay, turns out I have a bit of trimming to do. My brake guard, and I honestly could not be bothered doing anything more this weekend. I just got a big hole in my mouth to get a tooth pulled yesterday, so I'm not going to use the form. does go in there, it needs to sit back in that far, so that, yes. It'll sit in there, and she'll sit the whole way around. And lock in, and then that moves the steering point back, so we get even more lock. But yeah, need to trim the brake guard, because there, that's the way I've been looking at it. But there's obviously no disc or anything on that, so they just bent the brake guard back out of the way. So yeah, I'm gonna have to pull all that off, and I'm really not bothered today, so we'll see what Ray's doing. Oh no.
Don't know what I'm doing. I'm looking
So
for...
the TPS didn't work.
No, TBS done absolutely fucking nothing. I'm looking for B11, and then I have to chase that to some capacitor thing, and that should need to be replaced, maybe. If it doesn't, I don't know. But can't find B11 right now. Can't find anything marked B.
And there's C down there.
Yeah, and we've got C up in here as well.
Oh, Jesus.
And then there's like more of them on this side. Oh, what's this? I wonder, is it B11? And then do I trace it that way? Or what comes off B11? I don't fucking know. Fuck me.
Yes. Ah, sure. We'll see what else is going on. So there's nothing wrong in the ECU.
No.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna stick, I've got another distributor. That's a brand new distributor though, so it should be fine.
Yeah, but it's not. It's doing something.
It's doing something funky.
Come up with what? Cylinder position 1?
Yeah.
Yeah. We did have a slight bit of drama when we were wiring them up to Dizzy, didn't we?
Yeah.
It just
That was the
where-
crank angle sensor. The wires weren't in the fucking plug for the crank angle sensor on the other loom. We had to fucking trace them.
Yeah.
And then we just
We're gonna have to have another look.
Yeah.
Put the other Dizzy in. Check it.
So we've kind of stopped on this for the minute because Aaron needs this to go to work tomorrow and it's too slow. So he's in underneath and he's pulling the cat out of it.
Hello.
There he is. Yeah, axle sensor under that, so we have it on a wheel that we thought would end up a lot higher than it didn't. So this is a job for Aaron, not for Ray. But yeah, get the heat shield off, pull the cat out of it, shine a torch through it, see how fucking blocked up it is, and then eventually remove the blockage.
Yes, with a hammer and a pointy piece of metal.
Yes. Yes, one of your many broken pry bars.
Yeah, this thing likes breaking stuff on me. Sure.
Your heart mostly.
Yeah. So that's probably not going to go back in either.
No, weight reduction.
Yeah. So it's out. You can see through it, I don't know. Will you be able to?
It's very hard to get the right fucking angle. Yeah. You can see
Yeah.
through it though.
It is clear. You're going to be able to see through it a lot easier now in a minute, but yeah, it is pretty fucking clear.
It is mint, yeah.
So, I don't know.
What about the resonator? Is it, can you look down it that way? Where's the torch?
No, she's pretty clear.
Yeah.
She's clear the whole way down. I can see down to the turn.
Nice. What about up the other way, up to the Angel?
Oh, that's just the flexi.
Yeah, shutting the fucking door.
Wouldn't really be happening there. No, that's just straight up to the split.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Suck up a rag or that, no?
I hope not. Why aren't you running well? Bloody Hondas.
Some crack.
Oh yeah.
I'm stripping my distributor apart.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Because some were saying that it could have been dust and shit, and it was fucking wedged with dust.
Oh, was it? Yeah.
So, like, it's pretty, pretty manky looking, and inside that is pretty nasty looking.
Even all the tips.
Even all the tips. So I'm gonna get with sandpaper, even the end of the
Oh
the rotor.
Jesus, yeah.
Yeah.
Like you can look at what
Crack
it
it
just
off.
pushed off it.
Yeah. Layer of shit on them. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll clean all them up.
Do with a clean, alright.
It is a pretty fresh. Like this Dizzy went on when the engine went into it, so it's pretty fucking fresh. Like.
Yeah, maybe while it was parked up while you were away on holidays, she got a bit damp in it or something, and then when it got going again, that's why like it's coming off in them
Rusty
chunks.
Yeah.
Like it's just the perfect size of each of the rotor tips. So
Yeah.
it's just after burning the layer onto it. Yeah, I'd say clean that up and now, and that should do a hell of a lot for it.
It should definitely help anyway.
Yeah, well, it's not going to hinder it. Yeah. Hopefully we can figure out why this yoke isn't breathing as well.
Yeah. Get all the handles working. Maybe.
Well, you have another two that won't be working.
True. Have to get a distributor.
We'll have 2 out of 4 working.
I have to get an alternator for that Accord. Get it going.
So, the cat wasn't blocked. At the back box, we did see a bit of a bulge in the very back of it. So, I drilled a big old hole in it. Hopefully that will relieve a little bit of pressure. But other than that, I can't see why it's not gone quick like it should. Maybe it just needs to be driven more. Although, if I did change the fuel filter and that did make it a little bit better.
Are you not going to show them your dump pipe?
No. Well, that was a funny spin. It's slightly better than it was. It's taken, but when it gets to 8,000, it just goes. It's
funny.
yeah, it just won't
so funny.
bounce the limiter. So yeah, I've got to figure that one out. It smells nice and warm.
Smells very warm.
Well, we were just hammering it, but yeah, I don't think we're going to get much more done today now.
No.
So, peace out, and until next time.
Stay put.
Bye.